Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your GeoSIM is active, and your plan or balance is valid in the MyGeo app. Next, make sure airplane mode is off and network selection is set to automatic so the phone can pick the best Geo tower. Once done, inspect signal strength, move closer to a window or step outside. Phone cases or metal surfaces can block reception. If you have a spare GeoSIM, swap it to quickly tell whether the issue is device or network related. Now focus on deeper fixes. Toggle mobile data, then reboot the phone. A fresh network handshake often restores service. On Android, clear the network cache by rebooting into recovery if you know how. Otherwise, remove and reset the SIM to force re-registration. Make sure the preferred network type is LTE or 4G. Confirm APN is set to GeoNet with Geo's default MMSC and MMS values. Finally, check for carrier updates or OS patches. These can finish by isolating and escalating. Test your SIM in another handset or a Geo hotspot. If the SIM works elsewhere, the handset needs service. If the problem persists, note your EMA and SIM IXID and contact Geo support with exact outage times and location. They can check tower logs and provisioning. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Make sure to try a temporary alternate device first, because resets erase everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.